So in this video, I'm going to teach you 10 easiest commands which you can teach your dog at home by yourself. First command will be come. Second, sit. Third, down. Fourth, sleep. Fifth, roll over. Sixth, shake hand. Seventh, high five. 8, sit pretty. 9, speak. 10, salute. Alright, let's begin. For that, you need some food like this in your hand so your dog can smell the food. So when your dog is smelling the food, that means his nose is controlling his brain is controlling his body and movements like this. So now he is getting food smell from my hand and his nose is controlling his brain and his brain is controlling his body and he is following me. So this is called first step for teaching him come, 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 good boy, and give him food. Then again, come, come, good boy, come, come, good, like this. The moment he will start following you, once he will understand the word come, and then keep your hand little up like this. He will get little pressure on his back and he will sit. Good boy. Again, come, sit, good boy. Come, sit, good boy. He's looking all the way up, he's getting pressure on his neck, he's sitting and I'm rewarding him for his right behavior. And then, come, sit, down, good boy. Come, sit, down, good boy. Come, come, sit, down, good boy. So for down command, you just need to teach him till sit and then show him food. Then take his hand in between his paw, down like this. Coco, come. Come. Yes. Come. Ah, good boy, Coco. Sit. Show him food. And then take in between his paw. And stick your hand. Down. You go in the down position like this. Okay. Coco, come. Sit. Down. The moment you go down, then use this technique till the shoulder and he will go in sleep position like this. Sleep, good boy. Then again from here to till here. Sleep, good boy. Coco, sleep, good boy. Coco, sleep, stay. Good boy, Coco. Coco, come. Coco, come. Very good boy. Sit down and sleep. And then roll over. Roll over. Keep this leg. Roll over. Alright, Coco. Turn around. Good boy, Coco. Good boy. Shh. Very good boy. Very good boy. And then shake him. Coco, come. Yes, good boy. Sit, yeah. Coco, sit. To teach him sit, keep this food in your hand. Lock your hand like this towards his chin. You will try to open your hand through his mouth while licking, while smelling like this. Do not keep your hand away from your puppy mouth. He will try like this. Then release the word. Open your hand. Again. Good boy. Shake hand. Wow. Shake hands. Good boy. And then good boy. High five. Good. Coco. Yeah. Sit. Coco, high five. Good. So you just need to twist your wrist. This is shake hand, and then sit. This is high five, like this. You have to twist like this. Sit. Make sure your hand is towards his chest, like this. High five, good. High five, good. Very good boy. And then, how to teach your dog sit pretty command, also known as back command. Some people call it salute. I'll show you. First, you need to give your dog front support. Second support will be from the behind, back support, and then after a few days, start giving him kibbles with that 1-1-30-second timing. Come, sit. This is called front support. You can give him like this also. This is called front support. Stay, stay, good. And then this is back support from behind, like this. Back, stay, 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 good. And then turn this self. Back stay, okay, back, stay, 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 back, stay, back stay. In order to teach him speak command, I'm just going to keep this food away from his mouth. He will start waiting to have this food. Then he will start grabbing my attention while barking. The moment he will start barking, I will always release the word speak, and then I will give him. Come. Yes, good boy. Here, Coco. Good boy. And then action. Speak. Yes, good boy. Now he started grabbing my attention. Speak. Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Speak. Very good. Now I'm going to teach him salute command. We need to give him support from his belly like this. Then front down. Salute, stay. Salute, stay. Salute, stay. Stay. Keep giving him food in speed in between his paw like this. Stay. Salute, stay. This is salute.